Alright, I'm going to show you how to sweat a pipe. For starters, you are going to need your fitting that you're going to use to put on the pipe. You're going to need a pipe cutter. You're going to need a propane torch. You're going to need pipe solder. Is at your home store. You need a tape measure. You're going to need flux. You're going to need a pipe cleaner. Pipe wire brush. Don't know the exact terminology for it. And you're going to need the pipe. So let us begin. Alright, we need a measurement at 7 inches and 4 inches. We're going to do the 7-inch first. So, a good idea where we're going. So we're going right here. Wind out our pipe cutter. You can mark it with a chalk line if you please. Okay, so we set pipe cutter up. More of a better angle. Tighten it up, we go around. And we'll start marking. Each time you go around, just tighten up the screw top. A little tighter each time you go around. If you can see it cutting. Speed up the process here. There you go. What I like to do, you can take that edge of the pipe cutter and deburr it. Twist it around. Everybody has their own techniques. Now, you have on these, I like these. You can use steel wool or really fine sandpaper. I like these because you can just take the end of this, zoom out a little here, put it right in here, twist it as you go in. Cleans it. And you want to do that with all your fittings. We're going to use a 90 degree, even though it's new, somewhat new. I'm still going to clean the inside. So we get that end. Twist it around. get a nice clean joint. We'll prep that with the flux. I also forgot you need some kind of like a acid brush or a piece of cloth. You get the flux, put it inside. You need the flux to sweat the pipe. Sweat, solder, same concept, different terminology. Alright, you do the same for the 4-inch piece. Alright, now we're going to apply flux to our ends and we're going to sweat it, solder it. We're going to do this side first. I'm real generous with the flux. Maybe a little more generous than I should be. That. We have this all fluxed up. Get out our torch. Put our joints together. We get a little lead on my solder. Help feed it in so we get a better angle for you. Let's begin. You can start on the outside of the pipe. Now everybody has their own technique. Hot. The flux draws it in. Now you join the joining pieces together. Put a little twist on it. Alright. Now we heat it up. Make sure you have your lead and your solder. Has to be plumb. The solder they sell in the plumbing section can't be the rosin core solder that they use for electrical. Again, I like to start at the end of the pipe, work my way up, because heat travels. When you start to see the flux start to boil, then you start feeding it solder. And it sucks it in. Well, I'm probably putting more than I should in there. I like to be safe than sorry. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.